G'day viewers. Well, here's a little lesson to learn if you're interested in taking apart old copies and printers and whatnot, is to always be careful of either half-used toner cartridges and also these things, because this is actually the dump, and as you can see, still half full of toner. Toner is something that you probably really wouldn't want to get on your clothes, because as you can tell by that piece of alley, it sticks to practically whatever it touches. I believe it's a mixture of iron oxide, plastic powder, and wax, which is obviously what helps glue it to the paper when it goes through the fuser. But yeah, it's something you really don't want to get on a good shirt. This is the residue of when it goes through the before it goes through the fusing unit. It shakes. Any loose toner is shaken off and deposited into here, and then the paper goes through the fuser and out the machine. But yeah, always be careful when you take this sort of stuff apart, because you will not get it out your clothes if you get it in there. It's really nasty. Some of the really old analog copies and things, the toner can be toxic, I believe. It does contain some rather nasty compounds, but I haven't really got that problem here because this came out of a fairly modern machine. Because there's a lid from it, and you can tell it's full colour printer, hence the funny colour that the toner is. It's just a mixture of the 5 primary colours plus the black. And yeah, it's very nasty stuff. The dump unit was the Brother WT200CL. Of course, there's labels and things saying not to touch it. Of course, yeah, the last thing you want to do is put your hand on that and end up with a big line across it. I learnt that the hard way a couple of years ago where I pulled apart a laser printer. I think I was only age of 9 or something. And I took the toner cartridge apart, which I didn't know was the toner cartridge, and toner went everywhere. It was rather horrible. But I still ought to see if somebody uses confetti at a wedding. Just throw it up in the air and see who gets showered with it. But yeah, my message is careful when you take these sorts of things apart for the toner mines, because it's rather nasty shit. Yeah, thanks for watching.